Episode 7 Missionary Activities in Southern India. Hello everyone. In our previous episodes, we explored St Francis Xavier's missionary work in Goa and his establishments of schools and hospitals. Today, we delve into an essential phase of Xavier's life, his missionary activities in southern India, where he traversed the region and encountered both challenges and successes in spreading the gospel. Xavier's travels to southern India. Southern India, rich in cultural diversity and vibrant communities, became a significant area of focus for St. Francis Xavier's missionary endeavors. His journeys took him to various regions within South India. Xavier engaged with diverse communities, seeking to share the Christian message and teachings. He preached and established Christian communities, fostering the growth of the faith among the local population. Challenges in preaching the gospel. Xavier faced numerous challenges in preaching the gospel in southern India. The diverse religious and cultural landscapes presented hurdles in conveying the Christian message and gaining acceptance among the people. Understanding and engaging with locals. Xavier, similar to his approach in other regions, endeavored to understand the cultural, linguistic, and religious interactions of the communities in southern India. He adapted his methods to connect with the local and build bridges based on mutual understanding and respect. Successes in spreading Christianity. Despite the challenges, Xavier witnessed successes in the spread of Christianity. His teaching resonated with certain sections of the population, leading to conversions and establishments of Christian communities in various parts of southern India. Xavier's mission work had a broader impact beyond religion. It influenced the social and cultural fabric of the region, introducing new religious practices and contributing to the region's overall cultural diversity. Legacy of Xavier's missionary work in southern India. Xavier's influence in southern India was profound. His efforts laid the groundwork for the enduring presence of Christianity in the region. The communities he established continued to thrive, contributing to the culture of southern India. Continuing challenges and successes. The challenges Xavier faced were met with determination and resilience. His successes were not universal, but had a significant and enduring impact, contributing to the establishment of Christian communities that continue to exist in southern India today. St. Francis Xavier's missionary work activities in southern India were marked by both challenges and successes. His dedication to spread the Christian message despite obstacles led to the establishment of Christian communities and had a lasting impact on the region. Thank you for joining me for this episode. In the upcoming episodes, we will explore Xavier's further travels and delve into the challenges and successes he encountered in the region, and he continued his mission. Stay tuned for episode 8, where we will further explore Xavier's journey to Southeast Asia and the challenges he faced in spreading Christianity in those territories. Thank you.